grab a cushion or a pillow and find a comfortable place to sit for a few minutes. And when you get there, find a nice tall seat, not too rigid, not slouching. Reach through the crown of the head as you press your feet or seat into the mat or the cushion. Let the hands fall naturally to the knees. And softly close the eyes and start to notice your breath, how it's flowing in and out of your body. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep this slow, steady breath. With each exhale, feel the shoulders drawing down the back. Feel each part of the body softening, relaxing, feeling at ease. Begin to visualize a white light in the distance, a ball of energy pulsating, moving closer towards you, making you feel very calm and relaxed. This white light, this ball of energy, gets bigger and bigger as it gets closer to you. Until it fully engulfs you like you're in a cloud. This white light is a shield, protection. With each inhale, it's healing you, it's protecting you. Each exhale, it's purifying your thoughts, releasing any negative thoughts, releasing any worries, releasing any fears. White light surrounds you from your feet all the way to the crown of the head. And feel this white light softening, beginning at your feet, relaxing the feet, relaxing the legs, feeling heavy, relaxing the torso, the arms, the hands. This white light heals you. This white light is a shield deflecting any worries or burdens for this moment. Now visualize this shield, this white light. Visualize sending it to someone you love. And it's surrounding them, protecting them, healing them. And use use your breath to send this healing protection to them. Give yourself permission to sit here in this shield, this protected cloud of energy. Just surrender to this moment, surrender to your breath, and let your exhale release any negative thoughts. Let your whole body fill with positive thoughts. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Start to notice any sounds in your space, any sounds beyond your space. Start to notice the temperature, feeling of air against your skin, the texture of your clothes against your skin. And gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a moment and take a little stretch. Blink open the eyes. Maybe give yourself a little hug. Take another moment here to recognize your effort for your practice, to recognize the time. I thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.